Hey guys, welcome to my new video. In this video I'm gonna show how to create this animation with using After Effects. Let's get started. So guys, welcome back, and right now we have two compositions. First composition hairless and syringe. So let's select this syringe composition, drag and drop into the composition. And press S, change scale, and press R, chain rotation, and move to here. So in this time, let's press P and create new path in keyframe and move to right. And let's move to up this syringe composition. And select keyframes, make it easy. Let's see. Okay, select keyframes, go to graph editor and select this graph. Let's make it smooth animations. Okay, and in this time, let's back to keyframes and go to 3 keyframes. For go to frame by frame keyframes, you can press page down keyboard 1 to 3, create new path in keyframe, and go to here and let's inject to skin. Let's see. Okay, select last keyframe, move to right for slow animation, go to graph editor, and let's see, select this first keyframe, make smooth. And back to keyframe, select last keyframe, move to right for more slow animation. Okay, so in this time, let's go to the syringe and select this layer 3, link to layer element. Select element, go to solo. Okay, and go to here, let's see timing. Okay, and back to syringe. And let's press P, move to up, and select this liquid. Let's press M and delete mask 1, and let's create new mask. Go to rectangle tool, and let's create rectangle mask like this. Clisation tool, and let's select this element and create new path in keyframe. Go to here and move to down like this. Select keyframes, make it easy. Okay, go to graph editor and select this graph, make smooth. Select last keyframe, move to right. Okay, and right now select this mask 1, let's open inside and create mask path layer and select this point and move to down and go to last keyframe and move to down these mask points. Select keyframes, make it easy. Let's see. Go to graph editor. Let's make graph like this. Okay, let's select this graph for see difference. Okay, select last keyframe, move to left. Nice. Back to main composition. Okay, that's good. So back to syringe and close these compositions. And let's back to keyframes, create new solid layer, add name bubble, and change color blue. Click OK. And go to FS presses, search FX CC bubbles. Select CC bubbles, use for solid layer. And let's change this shading type none. And go to rectangle mask tool and let's create mask like this and change sizes like this. Let's see animation. Okay, and we can control this. Let's write here 1 or let's try to 3. Okay, and bubble amount, change this. And in this time, select these bubbles. Let's hide for now. And select this bubble. Go to link track matte. If you not see this part, click toggle switch mode. And go to track matte. Let's link to liquid. And select liquid. Let's enable. Let's see. Okay, we can see bubbles only this part inside the liquid layer. Nice, very good. And here, let's select this bubble, go to Edit and Split Layer or Ctrl-Shift-D, delete. And back to main composition, let's see here. Nice. And let's create new path in keyframe. Go to here, and let's click Selection Tool, and move to back like this, and go to last keyframe, and move to up. Select work area, let's see. Select this middle keyframe, go to graph editor, and let's select this graph, make smooth animation. So back to keyframes, and let's right mouse, composition settings, and change time duration 15 seconds. Click OK, and select these 3 Photoshop layers and change duration. Okay, so in this time, select this hair layer and go to pen behind, move the anchor point down, click Selection Tool and press S, change scale like this. Let's create scale keyframe and go to 5 keyframes, change scale 100 and make it keyframes easy. Let's see. Okay, select first keyframe, move to left, go to graph editor, let's make it smooth. Nice. And in this time, select this hair layer, let's Ctrl D, change name color, and go to FS presets, search effect fill, use fill for color layer, and change color blue. And let's press T, change opacity 0. And in this time, let's create opacity keyframe and go to 10 keyframes. For shortcut, you can press Hold Shift, press page down in keyboard and change color 25 or 50. Go to 10 keyframe, change 0. Select keyframes, make it easy. Let's select work area. Okay, select keyframes, let's copy and Ctrl V for paste keyframes. And here, let's see. Nice. Let's see full animation. Okay, not bad. I like it. So guys, thank you for watching my video and don't forget to subscribe channel, like video, leave comments and have a good days. Good luck.